Rangashé and Shocked classes will have the chance to play Connect 4 using the numbers they have previously learned. Connect 4 is a 2-player game. The children and parents can play against one another using the worksheet above. The first thing that you must have along with this worksheet is 2 dice. If you have these at home, fantastic, my shiv, but if not, do not panic. I have included a template for you to make them. Cut them out and put them together. Make sure that each player has a different colour pencil for the game as well. We are ready to start. Múinteoir Sarah will be player 1 and I will be player 2. Múinteoir Sarah will go first. She has rolled the dice. She has got the numbers, a daw and a tree. What number does she have when both are added together? My who. Good. The answer is a cuic. 5. Sarah has marked the number. It is Múinteoir John's turn now. I have rolled the dice and got the numbers a shea and a tree. What number do I have when both are added together? Ois. Fantastic. The answer is a knee. I have marked a knee on the page. The first player to get 4 in a row is the winner. A gobber is ag full na céile ón bhaile.